What's up guys? Welcome to another beautiful day. Today is gonna be really fun. We're actually doing good today. We are going to clean up Taghazout Beach. That's right. So, backstory on this. Nina and I were surfing and we were looking around and we saw a bunch of trash. And we're like, dude, that kind of sucks. We should probably take a moment and go out there with some bags and collect some trash. So, during that day surfing, we happened to stumble on this lady who was actually doing it. And we asked her what the deal was, and she said she's been heading this kind of organization to clean up the beaches here in Taghazout. So we're super stoked to already basically have an in on cleaning the beach. So we're gonna go do that right now. So I know we probably look like we just like to travel and have fun all the time, but we do really appreciate this earth and we do want to keep it clean. And also we really love the ocean and beaches. That is kind of our second home. We definitely have to make that effort in keeping beaches clean, keeping this planet clean, so that tomorrow people can enjoy it and appreciate it as much as we do. Isn't that right, Nina?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, how's it going?
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Nice, good to see you.
Yeah, nice to see you.
You guys want gloves?
Yeah. All right, guys, so this is Johanna, and she's basically leading today's trash pickup. So tell us a little bit about who is organizing this and what, oh, sorry.
10.
10.
No, it's good right now.
No, thank you. No, thank you. Okay, 1 second. All right, so we made it to the beach, and this is Johanna. She's actually heading today's trash pickup. Who organizes this, and I don't know, what's going on with this thing? Is it every Monday? What's going on?
So every week, I work at a surf camp called La Pointe Surf Camp. Every week, we do a beach clean every camp. We have camps in Morocco, Portugal, Norway, Costa Rica, Bali. So every week we do a beach clean and we try and collect plastic from the ocean and keep it out of the ocean. Keep it away from wildlife as much as possible.
Yeah. And then how did you get involved?
I work at the surf camp, so I work as a surf instructor at the surf camp for 2 years now. So we do this every week and just helping out.
Dope. So basically, if you guys are in Taghazout, you guys need to come down here on Mondays at
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock to the beach in front of, I don't know.
Hashpoint.
Hashpoint. There you go. She's got it. So, but yeah, it's really cool. And we actually just met her serendipitously walking down the beach. We saw that there was a bunch of people with blue bags, and here we are. Let's get it. Alright guys, let's see what we can actually find. I'm really curious to see what kind of junk ends up on these beaches. Oh, this is not trash. It's just this cool rock.
Yeah, there's a lot of pretty things here as well, like a lot of pieces of ceramic. And,
yeah. Yeah, those are cool.
Yeah, beautiful.
They're everywhere, huh?
I think people make rings out of this.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Sell it expensive.
A barber's knife?
I don't know.
Oh, wow. Or like fishing.
It's a real knife for sure.
It's like, it looks pretty new.
Yeah?
As well.
I don't know.
You could still use that. It looks pretty new. That's a...
Yeah, it's not a bad knife.
Someone could use it. Looks like a hair squeegee. We got a jackpot. Oh yeah, it's the good stuff. Cigarette butts, beer cans. Hey little buddy. So I met Kyle. Kyle's kind of like at the end of his travels. He's here in Taghazout just for some surf camp action, and decided to participate in a little trash pickup. Kyle, anything you want to say to the people out there? He's a little bit shy. Don't worry. He's a good person though. That's all you need to know. Okay. Have you done this before? Yeah. I wonder how many people usually join.
Something like 12,000 kilograms of trash off beaches across all their camps over the world. So
Wait.
They do it like every week, and they do it at every camp.
So they collected 12,000 kilograms of trash?
Something like that, yeah.
In all of their camps?
Yeah, over the
last year?
Over the course of the year.
That's pretty good. We regrouped. How's it going, Johanna?
Good, beach cleans are the best.
Yeah. That's how much we collected today. Oh, Nina, geez, bringing in the big bag. Look at that. Nice work.
Because I went over there.
Jump. Jumping on 3. 2, 3. Woo! One more time, guys.
1, 2, 3. Sweet. Follow me straight up the street again, and then we're gonna turn when we get to the road.
What's the most interesting thing you picked up today? Nothing? Was it just trash?
Rusty knife.
Oh yeah, I got a knife too. You got some condoms?
I got a couple condoms.
Oh, exciting.
Won't be recycling those bad boys.
I got like playing cards.
You got playing cards?
Yeah, there was a lot of playing cards. Somebody lost the whole deck out here, I guess. Lots of yogurt.
Oh, yogurt. Lots of
yogurt.
What's up, dude? What's your name?
Joel.
Joel. Garrett. Nice to meet you. All right. We're at the city dump. It's actually really funny. We've seen this kind of like corner, and there's always like a dog or goats or like all sorts of animals over here like eating food. Like this guy.
That's why when we have the privilege. Again, thank you so much, guys, for helping out. Yeah, thanks a lot, guys. It's huge that you guys were here to help out and show Taghazout what we're made of. And again, I'm going to be doing it in Paradise Valley when we go up there. So if you guys are joining, feel free to throw some plastic in the bag. I'll carry it around.
Feels so good, guys. Doing our part every single day. It's important. Now we're gonna treat ourselves for some pizza.
Yeah, feed me.
This beach is clean. Now the doggies are free to play in a clean environment.
That's all that matters. The dogs are happy and safe now.
Yes, they are. So yeah, guys, Johanna's doing a really cool thing here, leading every Monday to get this beach cleaned up. If you guys have a chance, check her out, find her on Facebook. I'll put her link down below. Tell her thank you. For us, we're here only a little bit of time and we're gonna help when we can, but she is like doing this every week, and I think it just takes a lot of like dedication and commitment to do something like that every single week. Basically, our favorite pizza place here in Taghazout is closed, Windy Bay. Damn it. So we had chicken burgers and Nina had a veggie lasagna. It was actually really good.
Yeah, it was. Up the creepy alley.
Yep, the creepy alley is our alley. Hello. Yo, back to the apartment. Welcome to our home. Oh. All right, so today was pretty awesome. Highlights of the day is I got a new knife. Can't open it though. Smells good, smells fine, I never know. But yeah, so got a new knife, had a good dinner, did trash pickup. It was really awesome. They're doing a really cool thing. We really wanted to do it. We literally were thinking of doing like trash pickup and kind of organizing it and getting on social media and getting everybody involved, but they're already on it, and yeah, perfect. And yeah, we'll only be here for another week before we do this one thing that I have not told anybody yet, but I'm really excited to. It's coming up in 1 week, and I will be doing an update video really soon about what we're up to and what we'll be doing for the next 2 weeks. I'll give you a little hint. It is a trip and it's 100% confirmed. I'm trying to like not say it. It's hard. All right, so I'm gonna sign out right now, guys. Love you guys. Thanks for supporting me and just being here and watching these videos. Means the world to me, and commenting and all that fun stuff. I really want to build a strong, positive community of world travelers, of people who get it, people who understand what's going on. So yeah, join in and watch and let's do this together. Let's make a difference. Let's show people the world. And yeah, all right, cool. I probably blabbed on for a little bit too much. I'll just cut myself off. right now. Take care, guys. Cheers. Love you. Goodbye. All right, one more just in case.